Okay, this must be your problem. You are trying to learn Haitian Creole, but you are going through endless books. You are spending hours on the computer. Well, there is good news. Introducing How-To Creole. How-To Creole makes learning Creole fun and easy. How-To Creole provides Creole lessons for complete beginners and advanced learners. The lessons have friendly illustrations, engaging videos, and are easy to understand. So, how much does all of this cost? Everything is completely free. All you need to pay is your attention and some effort. So, start learning Creole. Use How-To Creole.